After 12 days, the Play Button Show is back. With one new character, Brandon. Oh, sorry. Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Brandon. So, what's going to happen in today's episode? This episode is all about shrinking. We've got something here. And you see this button? This says shrink. Yeah. Let's see what's happening this episode. This is Play Button Show. Okay. No! 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 Tiny play button? What the heck did you just do to me? Brandon! Oh no, we've got to cure him. Yeah. But there's a normal button. How are you doing this? Why would you do this to me, Brandon? We gotta help Play Button immediately! Before he's stuck like this forever. We gotta go save him. I told you, there is a normal button. The machine just stopped. Oh, now it's not. Oh, it was just turning on and off at the same time in the row. Yummy. No! Hello? Anyone? Brandon, you better help me. His bones are right up here. Wow. He just ate me for no reason. He thought I was a cookie. Wow. That Brandon is so mean. I'm so sorry, Bubba. Why am I in charge here? Brandon, you gotta let him out. Oh. It was just a potion. He should grow in a few minutes. And we'll be normal again. You better let me out, Brandon! Hey, what's happening? Play button! Brandon! Aw. That's it for our show. Please subscribe and look out for the next episode. Bye, everyone.